Good evening, parents. My name is Rob Spees, and I'm honored to serve as principal here at Hardin Valley Academy. I come to you tonight in two roles, both as principal as well as parent of two Hawks of my own. I'm excited to serve here in my first year, and I'm looking for great things in the future for Hardin Valley Academy. Tonight, you'll get to experience the day in the life of your Hawk. You'll get your students' schedule and work through all their classes. We're excited tonight to have guests from our school support organizations, as well as our school board member, Terry Hill. Also, you'll get to hear from each school's principal, dean, and counselor. Thank you very much for coming to see us tonight, and if you ever need any help from me, please reach out. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sean Spurgeon, and I am the president of the Hardin Valley Academy Athletic Council. We here at HVAC welcome you to Hog Nation. We're looking forward to working with you. Our organization consists of a representative from each of the sports that we offer here at Hardin Valley Academy. Our goal is to make sure that your student athlete has the most enjoyable and the most fun experience they have while they're here at Hardin Valley Academy. As such, we do different things to ensure a positive experience for your student athlete, like making purchases or taking care of equipment, things of that nature. So we're very excited to see you come in. We hope that you take the opportunity to get involved in any one of our sports. And we know that while you're here, you're going to have a wonderful academic and athletic experience. So again, welcome. We look forward to working with you. Go Hawks!
Hello, my name is Cheryl Ely, and I'm the Hardin Valley Academy PTSA president this year. And we want to welcome the new students here to the school this year, as well as those returning students and families into our school. Hardin Valley Academy PTSA is focused on supporting our parents, our teachers, and our students by providing programming and other activities that will embrace and encourage our students and our families here at Hardin Valley Academy. We ask that you join us, and so we have a membership. Membership fees are approximately $8 for an individual, $30 for a family, and $5 for students and faculty. So we invite you to join us. We really want to see you there, and we can't do the job that we need to do without you. So all we say is welcome.
Hi there. I'm Kevin Credo. I'm the president of the Hardin Valley Academy Foundation. I'm here to tell you a little bit about what the foundation does. We actually fund three different key areas here at the school. We fund technology upgrades, facilities improvements here to the school, and teacher development, professional teacher development. And those are our three key areas where we try to make a contribution to the overall educational experience for students here at Hardin Valley. We take in funds and we help direct those to the best possible place here within the school. All those funds stay here inside Hardin Valley. We collect funds in a few different ways. First of all, we'll always take donations. We are a nonprofit, so your donations will be tax deductible. There's a pledge card and more information in the packet you received the other day. So certainly please send that back in. If you can there's a lot of different ways, credit card, check, PayPal online on our website. We also are going to be doing some fundraising special events this year. So in order to keep up on what those are and how you can take advantage, please follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. You can look us up under HVA Foundation. And then finally, we are including some sponsorships this year where if you own, work for, or know somebody who runs a business that would like to support Hardin Valley, but also receive some recognition in the community and some advertising benefit out of that to show people how this business is positively affecting the education in our community, please see the information that's in our packet. Call me, call anybody on the board, call the school. There's contact information in there for you to make a donation. So now that you know a little bit about what the foundation does, I think the exciting thing to close this with is that since 2013, we have made over 100 different allocations of funds for teacher development, facility upgrades, and technology, totaling over $72,000. That's $72,000 that we've put back into this school, and that's something that we couldn't have done without your support, without the support of local businesses, and we just appreciate everything that you have done maybe in the past or that you're going to do. So welcome to Hardin Valley. I've got a daughter here that's a junior, and I'm excited for what she's going to learn this year, and I'm excited for all you that are new incoming freshman parents. Thank you for coming out tonight, and go Hawks.
Hi, I'm Terry Hill, your school board representative for District 6, and have also served this year as the chairman of the Knox County Board of Education. I want to welcome you back to school. We have got over 60,000 students that are going to be returning to school this year, and right here on our Hardin Valley campuses, there are over 5,000 students and faculty that will be in one area. So this is a great time for our community. We are excited. Also bring greetings from our superintendent, Mr. Bob Thomas. We know that this is going to be a great school year. Thank you for being here. Clearly you're the ones that care the most because you've come to find out about your students and what's going on in their lives, and I can encourage you to do that the rest of this school year. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Brian Brown. I'm the athletic director and going to be helping out with the Freshman Academy.
Hi, I'm Jen Beckler. I'm the counselor of the Freshman Academy.
Hi, I'm Michonne Credo, Dean of the Freshman Academy.
Hi, I'm David Combs. I'm the Liberal Arts Principal.
Hi, I'm Carmen Long, counselor for the Liberal Arts Academy.
Hi, I'm Jenny Driscoll. I'm the Dean of the Liberal Arts Academy.
Hey, good evening. My name is Mike Wise, and I'm the principal of the Health Science Academy.
And I'm Dana Quick. I'm the school counselor of the Health Science Academy.
My name is Sarah Price, and I am Dean of Health Science Academy.
Hello, I'm Kelly Ivins. I'm the principal for the BLPA, Business Law and Public Affairs Academy.
Hi, I'm Ann Troutman. I'm the counselor for the BLPA Academy.
And I'm Vivian West, the new Dean of the BLPA Academy. We'd like to welcome all to the BLPA Academy, and our theme this year is Balance to Succeed.
Hi, I'm Ken Dunlap, the principal of the STEM Academy, Hardin Valley Academy.
Hi, I'm Ashley Beeler, the school counselor for the STEM Academy.
And I'm Rudy Furman, the Dean of the STEM Academy.